This tiny string could change your life. Think I'm being dramatic? In today's video, I want to talk beyond fresh breath and great teeth. This month, you'll see us talking about flossing a lot because the benefits of flossing actually go beyond the mouth and span into benefits all throughout your body. So let's dive into some other real reasons your dental hygienist is begging you to start flossing. But let's first talk about when you're flossing, what are we removing? We're removing that plaque bacteria, the biofilm in your mouth made from saliva, food debris, microbes, creating a havoc party in your mouth. Now, we all know that gum disease does not happen overnight, but it accumulates over time. So that plaque bacteria that I'm talking about harbors down below the gum line and what we call dental pockets, periodontal pockets. It's a great place for that bacteria to harbor because it's wet, it's warm, and it's moist. The perfect hotel for that bacteria to sit there, starting the progression of gum disease. So after those germs and bacteria are having a party down below that gum line, guess what? That progression does not stop there. This bacteria now is gonna travel throughout your whole body because guess what? That plaque bacteria can now get into your bloodstream. The reason we're flossing is because your toothbrush cannot get in between your teeth into those gum pockets. Flossing is important to go below the gum line to remove and disrupt that bacteria, stopping the progression of gum disease on a daily basis. Now, what's this whole thing about flossing and the whole body connection? So I talked about that plaque getting into your bloodstream. When there's inflammation, your body wants to fight that inflammation. Talking about all that bacteria, that plaque bacteria in your mouth that's harboring there, blood is sent to the area to try to fight that bacteria, but now it's susceptible to your whole body. So guess what it's gonna start causing? Cardiovascular issues, talking heart issues. Studies also show a connection between flossing, diabetes health, and periodontal health. My patients that have uncontrolled diabetes or uncontrollable periodontal disease, this is going hand in hand and not great. We're talking tooth loss, but when we're talking overall body connections, it's also gonna affect infections on your feet, your hands. Not good for a diabetic patient who already is susceptible to a lot of infections. They need to be super healthy and not be susceptible to gum disease affecting that diabetes health. There's also a correlation between inflammation in the mouth and issues with pregnancy. We're talking inflammation in the mouth causing baby to come early, baby to be low birth weight, and just generalized bleeding in your mouth causing progressive periodontal disease for expectant mother. You don't want to lose your tooth as you're trying to take care of baby too. So that's why it's important to floss that plaque bacteria away because we know our toothbrush bristles cannot get in between the teeth. Disrupting that, making sure that it's not traveling to the rest of our body. So yeah, that's a lot of things that affect your whole body if you're not flossing and that plaque bacteria is getting into the whole rest of your bloodstream. Now, as a dental hygienist, I know that not everybody can use string floss, but if you can, the burst expanding floss is definitely something that you should check out. I like the burst floss because it's black. It helps my patients see their receipts of removing all that plaque and biofilm from in between their teeth. It's also expanding when it hits your saliva for more surface area to remove that sticky plaque, that sticky biofilm. Plus, the burst floss is gentle and comfortable getting underneath that gum line. You can see the burst expanding floss, it expands for more surface area compared to a slicker floss that's just gonna go right over that plaque. Expanding floss always. Next week, Kelly's gonna be going over the proper technique for flossing, so stay tuned on our channel and see if your flossing is definitely up to speed.